Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and securing a backup. If you have an Intel Mac, use Boot Camp. If Apple Silicon, plan for Parallels or UTM. Once done, download the Windows 11 ISO and the Boot Camp support drivers or install your virtualization app. Make sure you free at least 50 GB and connect a power adapter. You prepare a USB or allocate a partition now. This saves time and prevents mid-install interruptions as you move to partitioning or VM configuration next. You proceed to the installation step depending on your path. For Boot Camp, open Boot Camp Assistant, create a partition, and let it reboot to the Windows installer. For virtualization, create a VM, assign RAM for 8 GB and CPU cores, attach the ISO, then start. During setup, choose Custom Install and pick the correct partition or virtual disk. Once Windows finishes copying files and reboots, install the Boot Camp drivers or VM guest tools to enable trackpad, Wi-Fi, GPU acceleration, and you finish by updating and tuning the system. First, run Windows Update and Reboot until all updates and drivers are applied. Open Device Manager to resolve any flagged devices. Then adjust power, display, and virtualization settings for best performance and battery life. If you encounter boot failures, make sure the ISO passed integrity checks. On Intel Macs, reset NVRAM and retry Boot Camp. And on virtual machines, recreate the VM or repair the virtual disk. This single troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.